From California's acclaimed Harris Ranch Restaurant, among the top 100 highest grossing independent restaurants in the country, it's our pleasure to bring you recipes curated by our exceptional culinary team. Today we're going to show you how to turn an eye of round roast into a flavorful, moist, and tender beef entree. Eye of round is a very lean cut of beef taken from the hindquarter directly behind the loin. Eye of round can be an intimidating cut of beef, but this recipe is easy and delicious. Begin by removing your 3 to 4 pound roast from the refrigerator and letting it settle at room temperature for about an hour. This allows for more even cooking. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. If you're using a convection oven, set it to 325 degrees. Season the beef by combining the following ingredients: 1/2 cup Dijon or Creole mustard or other spicy brown mustard, 2 tablespoons red wine, 3 large cloves of garlic minced, 1/2 teaspoon dried leaf tarragon, and 1/2 teaspoon coarsely ground black pepper. Combine well and rub the mixture onto the roast evenly on all sides. Pour a small amount of olive or canola oil in a large heavy skillet and lightly brown each side of the roast. Place the rack onto a roasting pan and put the roast on the rack with the fat side up. Add 1 cup of beef broth to the pan to keep the juices from burning. Put the roast in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Test your eye of round roast for doneness with a meat thermometer and remove when the internal temperature reaches 130 to 135 degrees. If overcooked, it becomes tough and dry. Tent the roast in foil to keep warm and allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, prepare your au jus by using the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 tablespoons finely diced onions or shallots, 1/4 cup red wine, 1/4 cup fresh rosemary, or you may use 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary, 1/2 cup reserved beef drippings from the roast, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. In the large heavy skillet, lightly sweat the onion in the oil until it begins to brown. Add the red wine and rosemary. Simmer until you reduce the liquid to 1/3 its original amount. Add the beef drippings, but remove any large amounts of fat. Season with salt to taste. Thinly slice the roast against the grain and serve with au jus and side dishes, such as mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts. For more Harris Ranch beef recipes, visit our online chef at harrisranchbeef.com.